Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to transfer Chase points to JetBlue. First, you'll want to log into your account. Once logged in, find the area where it says rewards. You'll need to click on this to access Chase's travel portal. Once you have done this, you will be directed to a page featuring a variety of ways to earn and spend your points. You can access this section in one of two ways. The first is by clicking the arrow next to your total points displayed on the top menu bar. Then clicking on this arrow will open up a separate menu with different options. Click on Transfer to Travel Partners. The second way to access this area is by clicking on the three lines on the top left menu bar. Doing this will open up a separate side menu bar on the left of your screen. Below your credit cards, you'll see Earn/Use options, including Transfer to Travel Partners. Go ahead and click on that to begin the transfer process, and there you'll see transfer options. As you scroll down, you'll see more airline options, and then you'll see the hotel options. When you're ready to make a transfer, click Transfer Points for your transfer partner of choice. It'll use Southwest Airlines as an example to show you how the process works. Chase will ask you to choose the recipient. The recipient can be the cardholder or any authorized user on your credit card account. Next, you'll need to provide loyalty account details, and after confirming this information, click Continue. Now you'll need to enter how many points you want to transfer, and then click Continue. Chase will then prompt you to confirm the details of your transfer, and you'll be able to transfer your points by clicking Confirm and Submit. The timing for transfers can vary. Some transfers are instant, while others may take several hours or days to show up in your account. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.